Uh, Aditya Arora is now joining us to talk more about markets. Aditya, how's the positioning looking? The bottom is in place in your view or not yet?
Very good noon to you and to everyone. Today morning only we have given buy call to our clients on Nifty. We see a monster rally on the market before the election. The important thing to note is the time duration. So we are very bullish on the market before the election because as the numbers will start rolling out in coming weeks, market will discount the probability that the government will again come in power, current government. So I think we'll see a monster rally towards 22,500 to 24,000. And I think the bottom is made, or probably we are almost done with the bottom. So the downside levels which I'm watching is 21,900 to 21,700. We already achieved 21,900 this morning. So I think the bottom is almost done. If further correction happens, it could happen till 21,700. So bottom is almost done, and the upside is 22,500 till 24,000. So we are very bullish on the market. On Nifty also, and also on Bank Nifty, we see market rallying towards almost 50,000 and beyond.
Right, Aditya, surely we're keeping an eye out on those levels that you were mentioning. But, today let's talk about some of these mid-cap names as well, right? We have Dr. Lal Patlab that's in focus, buzzing away in trade, UPL, M&M Financials. Out of all these buzzers, yes, Dr. Lal Patlabs we're seeing because of the numbers that are coming in. That's why it's in focus as well. Anything interesting that you're finding in the mid-cap space, the story, because last week there was surely some bit of a correction that we saw in the Nifty mid-cap also, right? Today, yes, we're seeing a recovery, but still trading with cuts of almost 1%, both the mid and the small cap.
Absolutely. If my calculation is right, then probably we'll also start a rally in Nifty mid cap index from today. And the moves on Lalpat Lab have come after a long time. So this is again start of a rally in Lalpat, and we are also seeing very strong trend in Nifty Pharma index. So we also saw good movement in Cipla today morning. So it's across the board, and this buying may continue further in the index, pharma index, and even in this stock, Lalpat Lab. So I maintain positive bias in this counter. Currently, the stock is trading at 2496. One can buy the stock at current levels. One must maintain stop loss of 2330, and target would be 2700 to 2800 on that. And another stock which we discussed, could you just help me recollect the name?
UPL.
Yeah, UPL. Even in chemical counters, we anticipate a bottom in place because this sector is very undervalued, and we have seen long consolidation and correction in this, sector. And now there are green shoots visible, good recoveries visible, chart patterns are good, derivative data is good. So I maintain positive bias on UPL. Currently, the stock is trading at 518.15. One can buy this counter and maintain stop loss at 475, and target would be 5.
Okay, surely keeping an eye out on that. But I just want to mark the flashes at the bottom of the screen. We do have Varun Beverages that has reported its numbers, saw a bit of a spike up from the day's low point for Varun Beverages. As of now, at one point, it was just trading in the green as well. But looking at the numbers, revenues up by almost 12%, profits at 548 crores, up 25%. And operationally also doesn't seem bad, right? Operationally also we are seeing that the margins of the company, EBITDA margins, have seen an expansion. 22.5% is what the EBITDA margins are at, versus that's an uptick of almost 200 basis point in terms of the numbers. So yes, Varun Beverages is a stock that we should be keeping an eye out on. Let's see where it's headed. But yes, at one point of time, after its numbers right now, it just managed to touch slight bit of a green, but again it's down. We'll wait out maybe in case there's some commentary that one should watch out for. But yes, as of now, recovered from the day's lowest point. That's Varun Beverages. And like you can see, it's trading in the green. It's just a slight bit of a green coming there. Well, Aditya, what's your view on Varun Beverages? Seems like not a bad set of numbers from Varun Beverages. Heat waves are surely across all the country that we're seeing across cities as well. So do you think Varun Beverages or something in a summer play that would be working out well?
I think market had already discounted this news probably, Vinny, because there's no reaction on the stock, and we already had a great rally in the counter from starting of the 2024 from levels of almost 1184 till levels like 1550. So now the good news is already in the price, and there's no reaction on the stock. So probably now stock could consolidate in this level. We'll wait for fresh breakout above levels like 1550 and 1560, then we can become bullish. Otherwise, now I would like to wait in the counter for a breakout.
Okay, wait for a breakout on the counter as well. And Aditya, any top picks that you would like to give us?
So my first pick was Nifty itself. I'm very bullish on the market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. I see a spike of almost 500 to 1000 points over there. Nifty is a buy at 21,988, and my target would be 23,000. In a bullish case, very bullish case, we can also reach till levels like 24,000. And my second pick is Metropolis, almost a pair of Lalpat Lab. So that also looks good. I think this can also, get some traction now. So that is a buy at 1808. 1680 is the stop loss, and 2000 to 2100 is the target.
Okay, keeping an eye out on those stocks mentioned by Aditya. But Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us as always on Markets at Noon on ET Now.